What's up everyone, TechBird is here. Chinese manufacturing giant Huawei has been struggling with its supply chain since the ban by the US government. The ban is almost destroying the company's smartphone business. However, the company said that they will neither give up nor sell its smartphone business. Today, a reliable leakster revealed that the Huawei Mate 50 series has made a major breakthrough in supply, and the future will be as expected. Before proceeding this video, I want to announce that I am giving away Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you want to win that, then do subscribe this channel, like this video and drop your email addresses in the comment section below. Unfortunately, we don't have the exact information about the breakthrough that the Huawei Mate 50 series has achieved. And it is impossible to determine it before the time because the latest information can be true or false. However, putting a few pieces together from the previous information, the design of the Mate 50 series should be complete. The only issue that this smartphone should be facing it would be the supply chain. However, there are reports that the Huawei Mate 50 series will come with the Qualcomm upcoming flagship processor. This means that the Huawei Mate 50 series would use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 SoC, but sad news is that this chip will only support the 4G network. This smartphone will use an exclusive Snapdragon 898 4G SoC. Furthermore, according to the recent speculations, Huawei Mate 50 will launch this year. Reports claims that this device will arrive in the first quarter of this year, most likely in March. One important thing here is that the only difference between the Snapdragon 898 5G and Snapdragon 898 4G is the connectivity. One supports only 4G network while the other supports 5G network. Rest of the performance and attributes will remain the same. According to the speculation, so far the Huawei Mate 50 series will use the same LTPO display as the iPhone 13 Pro series. This display will support the adaptive refresh rate, which does not only achieve a 120Hz refresh rate but also saves power. In addition to the 4G Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 SoC, this device may also have the Kirin 9000 version. The Snapdragon 898 is a flagship processor that uses Samsung's 4nm manufacturing process. It has one 3.0 GHz Cortex-X2 large core, three 2.5 GHz Cortex-A78 large core, and four 1.79 GHz Cortex-A55 small cores. As far as the exact launch date is concerned, we don't have any exact date for the launch for the Mate 50 series, but it is coming this year, most probably in March. Of course, let me know what do you think down in the comments, and do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.